Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com 203-892-4119. So we have another Ameritron Al-811h. Customer went in it and tried to do some work, so he threw in the towel and sent it to me. I'll take it all apart, figure out what's up, and fix it. So I already took the parasitic board off. I'm like, oh no, I forgot to take a video. So the wires are starting to fray, the straps. So I will place the straps. Resistors look okay. I will check them. So I'm going to go through it, make it right. He said he tried to change the fan, put this coupler thing in for the wiring. I'll solder and heat shrink it, and he took this assembly out, grounded the grid, each grid to the metal. Clips look a little funky underneath. Input rotary switch is definitely out of alignment. So I'm going to get to work, and let's make this amp come back to life. Okay, I'll be back. See you soon. Okay, you see these black clips here? See how the tab is bent back a bunch? There's a big gap between the tab and the two clips, so it's causing the black clip to pull up and they can end up popping off. This one is actually not even seated properly. A lot of them are not correct. So this one's about to come off. Again, bent back too far. Sorry. I'll use a screwdriver because people don't like my fingers. That one is missing right here. I don't know if it's in the amplifier or not. I don't have any more, so I'm going to have to get some. I was sacrificing them off of new sockets. See how spread that one is? That's a filament connection. Doesn't look like it would even touch the pin of the tube. A lot of them are distorted. This one is coming right off. Not good. See, just popped right off. So I don't know what the story is with this. So okay, so I'm going to start fixing this work. And I'll have to order some sockets. I might just change, like this one. This one's totally screwed up. I'm just going to end up changing the sockets. These clips are just really goofed up. Yeah, gas discharge tubes. I bought them from Tom. Tom's a nice guy. Okay, so he used the screw. Okay, you put a lock washer on the other side. Usually I use a 632 screw with a cap nut. Solder joint does not look that great on each one. I'm just documenting it. I'm not saying anything bad about the customer. Just showing you guys and showing him also. Obviously the customer who owns this it's anonymous, so I think Ameritron's closed for the day. Yep. So I do not have any sockets here, so I'm going to look at the other stuff, try to figure out why it wasn't working, and I'll have to get back on this next week. So today's Friday and nothing else I can do. This happens a lot. So I have an LK500 no tune sitting on the floor. I had to order 3 of the capacitors. I took 2 of them out, so I'm waiting on those. They've been custom made. There's one of them. That's pretty bad, and this one's even worse. Someone removed the plate trying to fix it, and then painted that crap on there to stop it from arcing. So I'll put a series glitch resistor in there and replace all 3 that are faulty and do some other stuff to it. So that's about it for the day. So have a great day, and I guess the next portion will be me with the replacement parts here. So see you guys soon. Removed the sockets, replaced the sockets with brand new ones, resoldered everything, added new gas discharge tubes, touched up on other solder joints, and this thing is good to go. So plate choke's reinstalled with the longer screw, and I'm going to get back to work. See you soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-811h. I'll go over everything I did real quick. Okay, so like I said, customer tried to copy one of my videos and just correcting everything. So these straps are frayed, so I changed all 4 straps for the parasitic board, between the parasitic board and the anode caps. Placed the sockets as I showed you before, realigned the input rotary switch. It was out of alignment. I soldered and heat shrunk the wiring for the fan, zip tied all the wiring, fixed the grid to ground connections, added gas discharge tubes, resoldered the SO239s for the input and output connections. So customer had already installed the SO239, so I just fixed the solder joints. They were in good shape, so I left them alone. Removed the wire for the 10-meter mod. Resoldered the connection for the plate choke. He had bought one of Tom's boards, but he didn't install it. This came with Tom's kit, I guess, WHAI, so I resoldered the wire at the top of the plate choke to the lead. Cold solder joint. Touched up on other solder joints. Tightened hardware. This thing is good to go. A brand new set of Penta Lab tubes. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. I have an Al-1500 to work on. Still waiting on the capacitors for that LK500 NTB. Another, let's see, 2 Al-80Bs. More on the way, so actually I have to fill some hardbox orders now. Filled hardbox orders this morning. Shipped 2 amps. 2 more came. Never ending, but I love it. So, thanks for watching. If you need an amp repaired, give me a call. If you need some hardbox kits, go on the website, order them. So, have a great day. See you guys soon. 73.